Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can find day number or day name from a date in Excel. So let's start. This is the date column. Here we can see different dates. So if I want to find the number of day, then we have to type day, then I have to choose this close bracket. So 15 is the day number in this date 15 20. Here by default Excel gives month data first, then date, then year. So the middle one is the day 15. If I drag across this, you can see 2010. So this is how date function works. Now we can also do this by text function, and through this text function uh, we can do even more. So let's see text, then we have to give the value and which format we want. Here we can three formats: DD, DDD, and 4D. We will apply each of them to see what is the difference. So let's do DD, inverted comma close, closing bracket. Here we can see 15, the same as this. Now let's give D three times. I'm sorry, here I forgot to give the value first, then comma, then this one. We can see the name of the date, name of the day is appear here, but only three letters. If I want to find all the letters, that is Saturday, Monday, in that case type D four times. So this is how you can find day from dates. So this is how we can find day number and day name from dates in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.